If you're seeing a SurveyMonkey error submitting response, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your survey submitted successfully. This problem is usually caused by a missing required answer, a weak internet connection, browser issues, or the survey itself being closed or full. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check and how to fix it fast. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech solutions. Let's jump right in. First, check whether you answered every required question. Look carefully for any fields marked with an asterisk, because those are mandatory. Even one unanswered required question can stop the survey from submitting. So scroll back through the form and make sure every starred question is completed before you try again. This is the most common reason SurveyMonkey throws a submission error, and it's also the easiest one to miss. Next, check your internet connection. If your connection is unstable, the survey may look complete, but the final submission can fail. Try opening another website to confirm that your internet is working properly. If things seem slow or unreliable, reconnect to Wi-Fi, restart your router if needed, or switch to mobile data for a moment and try again. After that, go back and try submitting the survey again. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple retry is enough. Click the submit button one more time, or if that doesn't work, go back one step in the survey and then move forward again before submitting. This can refresh the form and clear minor glitches. If the issue still continues, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can interfere with survey loading and submission. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cache and cookies. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying the survey again. This often solves strange form errors that seem to have no obvious cause. Another great fix is to use Incognito Mode or a private browsing window. This gives you a clean session without old cookies, saved cache, or extension conflicts. Open a private window, access the SurveyMonkey link again, and fill out the survey from scratch. If it submits properly there, then the issue is likely related to your regular browser data or an extension. If that still doesn't work, try a different browser or device. For example, if you were using Chrome, switch to Edge or Firefox. You can also try your phone, tablet, or another computer. Sometimes the survey works perfectly on one device but fails on another because of browser compatibility or local settings. If none of those fixes solve it, check the survey status itself. The survey may be closed, full because it reached its response limit, or time restricted. In that case, the problem is not on your end. The survey owner may need to reopen it, increase the response limit, or extend the deadline before you can submit successfully. So the full checklist is simple. Answer all required questions, confirm your internet is stable, try submitting again, clear caches and cookies, use incognito mode, switch browsers or devices, and finally check whether the survey is still open. One of these steps usually fixes the issue. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and good luck submitting your SurveyMonkey response.